Many observers are now saying that the Western world is committing civilizational suicide, the main evidence being the staggering erosion of the sanctity of human life, fertility rates that are falling off the cliff, the identity crisis that is particularly afflicting the younger generation, the erosion of free speech, and the frightening emergence of anti-Semitism, to name just a few. The root cause of what we are witnessing can be traced to the erosion of the two big ideas that we have received from the Torah and the Jewish people. The first one is the loss of the notion of divine transcendence. The second one is the loss of the image of God as the fundamental marker of human identity. We're in big trouble. But the real question is, can anything be done about this? And I would say yes, absolutely. One, we need to rediscover what it means to be made in the image of God. Two, the church must reappropriate its prophetic mandate and target the very foundation of the nihilistic and anti-human worldview that is dominating our culture. If you are interested in these issues, consider taking my course, A Biblical Theology of Human Nature.